Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hammad, and today we'll discuss about listening part 1. Basically, in listening part 1, IELTS Academic, uh, the conversation between two speakers. Mostly, they will discuss about daily lives like booking a hotel or booking a ticket, stuff like that. Overall, there are 10 questions, no time limit, just 30 minutes of overall this listening part, in which you have to cover all the four parts in just 30 minutes. So audio is just played once. There is no method, you can reverse the recording or you can play it again. So listen it carefully, because the audio is played just once. So overall 10 questions, 1 marks each, and mostly the questions regarding name, dates, phone numbers, prices and address. Make sure you have always read the instructions first, because in instructions they already mentioned that you have to give answer in one word or two words. If they mention one word, so not exceed more than one word, and if they ask to not more than two words, so they may be one word or two word you can write, right? Or sometimes they say a number or a word. Okay, a word or a number, so you can add a combination of a word or a number if possible. So these things, let me provide you a template for IELTS listening part 1 question. Here you can see a question regarding accommodation booking, like name, mark dash. So definitely here is in fill in the blank. You have to mention their surname that was played in the recording, and address. So definitely there should be some address of the road which is in London. Date of arrival. So definitely in this you have to mention the date. Okay, so just read before and after the blank. You can easily identify what you supposed to write in this blank. Then contact number, so definitely there should be a contact number. So here it comes. As I already mentioned you before, here are some pro tips and tricks for the listening part 1. First one is strictly obey the word count, like in instructions is mentioned, write no word than two words, no more than two words, or a number you can say. So keep following that instructions, or use the paragraph time to predict the analyzation, like when they say that it is you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5, so don't waste this time. You have it about 15 or 20 seconds to utilize this time to look at the word before and after the gap. If you see a dollar sign, like, so predicts a number, and if you see some street, so definitely there are some proper name or noun of a street, right? The most important thing is beware of distractors. Okay, there are many distractors in IELTS 1 listening, like don't be too fast to answer, because sometimes speaker traps you in two answers, like can you book the room for the 14th of the March? Oh wait, sorry, my flight arrives at a day later. Let's make it at 15. So what would be the answer? People thought it was 14, but it was not 14, because he says, oh sorry, my flight arrives a day later, so it now 15. So this type of things the speaker traps you, so beware of these distractors. Okay, first read the complete sentence, then immediately write your answer, but this happens rarely. Okay. Next, very pro tip is master letters, like as you know that we have some pronunciation issues, like British speakers, they mostly speak a, e, I, j, g very differently, that we are unable to catch up those words. So mostly speakers spell the letter of if the word is difficult, so but we are unable to catch up a difficult word like a, e, j, because their accent of speaking is very difficult. So try to learn how the British speak those letters like a, e, j, I, or some double letters like double t. Or sometimes people confuse is like how they speak, like they are confused between 13 and 30, sometimes 15 and 50. So do practice some online tests, so it would help you. Definitely, if you are writing wrong spelling, so your answer marked wrong. But there is no limit for capitalization, but it prefers to write each word capital. Okay, you can write small as well. It do not affects your answer, but prefer is to write your answer in capitalizing each words. Okay. So here you can see a exercise like job application form, position applied for. So definitely here is some position either for clerk or for cooker, cook some food. Start date. So here you have to mention some date and hourly pay. So definitely here is some amount you have to mention. So this type of things would come in your arts listening part one. So do practice some questions. Definitely, I will also talk about part 2, 3, and 4 as well for listenings in future in upcoming lectures. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.